What if I told you that in the near future, every company, department, from HR to finance, marketing, sales, will be run by the AI agents, not humans? This is not the science fiction. This is already happening. And the people who understand how to build and deploy these agents, they are not just staying relevant, they are leading the future of work. Hi, I'm Amjid Ali, a technology leader and AI automation specialist with over 25 years of experience helping businesses embrace change before they are left behind. We are witnessing evolution from work 1.0, which is human-centered labor, to work 2.0, which is intelligent systems built by humans, operated by AI. And this evolution is not about eliminating jobs. It's about rethinking how work is done. Companies are realizing they can save time, cut cost, and boost productivity by replacing repetitive roles with AI agents. An employee costing $5,000 a month can now be replaced by an intelligent agent running at fraction of cost, one-time setup, minimal maintenance, and 24 by 7 reliability. Multiply that across 10 roles, across 10 businesses, and you are looking at an entirely new economic model for work. It opens the door for creators, consultants, and innovators to build AI-powered solutions that transform industries. Imagine giving every team a digital assistant that books meetings, replies to emails, manages tasks, and never takes a break. I have built these systems, I have used them, and these all are working today. That's why I have dedicated my time to helping others to understand, build the AI agents. I teach professionals and business owners how to automate intelligently, from design thinking to implementation using low-code platforms. I show you how to create scalable, efficient, real-world AI systems without needing a computer science degree. If you can map out a workflow, you can automate it. This isn't just for developers. It's for entrepreneurs, managers, consultants, and anyone who realizes that the rules of business are changing. This wave of automation won't wait for anyone. Those who hesitate will find themselves outpaced. The question is not if AI will reshape your industry. The question is, will you be consumer of automation or will you create it? If you are ready to build real world AI agents, optimize workflow, and prepare your business or career, let's begin. I'm Amjad Ali, and the future of work is already here.